Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
72, I'll make it 25 with the Regions Bank copy of 428. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
What's going on?
I'm just waiting for my dad.
Where's your dad at?
He's on his way.
Okay, what happened to your car?
What do you mean?
You know your car's got some damage on it?
Yeah, that past tense.
When did that damage happen?
Like 3 weeks ago?
Okay. How long have you been driving with the damage?
Not long.
Okay. Alright, you wanna...
Hey, Dad. Hey, where are you?
You have kids in the back with you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How many? Just one or two?
Just one.
Okay. Okay, you wanna hop out?
Yes, I do.
Can you hop out so I can talk to you?
Hello? RJ?
Here, Max. Oh, Sam.
Sorry.
It's okay. Jeez. No.
Get back in the car.
Yeah, just have him in the car. So what, were you involved in it, Todd?
No.
No?
No.
What's your name?
Kristen?
Kristen?
Yes.
Do you want to take a look at the damage that we're talking about?
No, I already know. It's baby daddy. I already know.
When did that happen?
Like last weekend?
That happened over a weekend ago?
Yes.
How long have you been driving the car?
I've been driving the car.
Every day?
Yes.
You've been driving the car every day like
Yes,
this?
sir.
You never noticed a problem?
No, no problem. It's baby daddy.
But you are...
This is...
Come look at the damage, Chris.
This here... This is from like 2 weeks ago.
What about this? You've been driving with the...
My bad tires? No.
Okay.
Baby daddy,
you have your ID
nothing to with it.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Alright. I have the SMTs. I have some. She's on the phone with her father, but we can have him pick up the kid, but as long as... Yeah, that's the ball. Like, yeah, we'll take it either way. Alright, just, yeah, I'll take your ID. 72, that's an idea. Alright.
I'm sorry. What, Dad? What, Dad?
You got into a car accident?
No. I didn't get a car accident. I don't know. I did. Get pulled over. I didn't do anything wrong.
See you tomorrow. What's up, man? What's your name?
Trevor.
What is it? Lincoln?
Jim.
RJ? What's up, RJ? How you doing? You alright? You didn't get hurt at all? No. Did your mommy get in an accident?
No.
Not today? She didn't get into an accident?
But she did. He one of those? Oh, yeah. He went on top of one.
What, on the yellow thing?
Yeah.
She went over the curb?
Yeah. Now she has this flat.
That's how she got the flat tires?
Yeah, this one is flat.
That one's good, and that one's good. It's just that one in the front.
No, come. One of them are flat.
Huh. Where are you guys coming from? Where'd you guys go today, RJ? He's good. I'm just talking to him.
I know.
Seeing how his day's going.
Also, he went from home with Northern Road. First thing what happened.
She was swerving on the road?
Yeah.
You know why she's swerving on the road? She's sick?
Yeah. He puked over there.
She what?
He puked over there, though.
Oh, she puked? What, you know why she puked?
I don't know. I think just so scared.
Okay. Where'd you guys come from? You guys go to dinner? Or lunch?
Yeah.
Where'd you guys go to lunch at?
Just going home now.
You going home now?
And this happened.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get it. Just hang out here, RJ. I'll be right back.
It's not working.
The air's not working? Okay, yeah, just leave the door open. Just hang out. Or if you want to sit in my car or something. She threw up all over the driver's seat. Oh, God. So, I can see, I'm 10-12, but I can see they came from dinner because they have, like, to-go bags. I don't know where they went, but they have to-go bags in there. Hey, Kristen, can I talk to RJ for a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
RJ, you want to come over here and just talk?
Sure.
You're not in trouble or anything, man. What's your shirt from? Is that a YouTuber? What's he playing? What's that, Minecraft? Roblox? What's he play? Huh? Okay. Where did you guys go to dinner today?
We slept at my dad's house.
You went to your dad's house?
No, we slept at my mom's house.
You slept at your mom's house? Last night? Okay, and then what did you guys do this morning when you woke up?
Yeah, coffee.
You went to see your friends?
Yeah.
Where did your friend live?
Got a sleepover.
Oh, you guys had a sleepover?
Yeah.
Just you or you and your mom?
My friend, me, and my mom.
Oh, okay. 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 And then you guys woke up this morning, did you guys go to dinner somewhere?
We just had breakfast.
You had breakfast? Where'd you have breakfast at?
We just had the lunch.
You had lunch?
We just had it.
What'd you guys eat for lunch?
We ate random things.
Where?
We just ate lunch at the restaurant.
At a restaurant? Do you know where the restaurant was? No? What did mommy order? You don't know? Did she order food?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of food did she eat? Like pancakes, a burger, salad. Okay, did mommy get anything to drink? Huh?
I was
Yeah, I know the tire's flat. What did mommy get to drink at the restaurant when you guys had lunch? Do you know?
I don't know when tire got flat.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Were you sleeping when she got the tire flat?
That tire was always flat.
Those three are good tires, but the one in the front on the driver where mommy drives,
No,
that tire's flat.
no, like that one is flat.
Flat.
Look, of course, when we saw we were on that, it was chunky.
It was chunky.
Yeah.
Were you guys over there at any point? Do you see the cars over there?
Probably were.
You guys were over there?
Yeah.
Is that where you guys live?
No, we were somewhere else. Over there.
Okay. Did you guys try going into that gate over there, that community?
No, that was.
Okay.
I think my mom went fast, but like
She went fast. Where?
right here. Like that.
She hit over here somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. You know why she was driving fast?
Oh, no.
No.
She felt sick.
She felt sick. Is that
Yeah.
why she threw up?
Yeah.
Do you know if mommy drank anything bad?
Well,
Did she drink any water or any
No.
juice?
I don't know. We're just driving and it's just
Before she started driving, did she drink anything?
no. We just went to the bathroom and it was done.
Number 10, make sure you
Get out.
yell, please. Stating that the other party does not want to take a report, just wants 25 with the officers.
Just hang right here, RJ, okay? I'll be right back.
We all building this time?
Yeah, we're gonna need a, yeah.
No, we are.
We need one. Oh, I mean, I saw her driving. I don't have it. Hey, it's on.
Thank you. This is terrible.
You wanna just take a seat? You don't have to sit all the way. You just wanna take a
I
seat.
just want my baby.
Okay.
I just want him to know he's okay.
He's okay. I'm watching him. He's sitting in my car. He's sitting in the AC. He's okay.
I know, I told you guys. I told you guys.
You want to just sit in the car? You can sit with your feet out. That way you're not standing. Here, Kristen. Here, just come here and just take a seat.
I do not want
I don't want you falling over. Kristen, just take a seat. You're okay. You're not.
I don't feel okay.
What's wrong?
I feel like my son's being taken from me.
He's not being taken.
I didn't do anything
Take a seat
wrong.
in the car.
I literally didn't do anything wrong.
Take a seat.
Yeah, I got to
Yes.
I got. Hey, this is Officer Stretch of the Database Police Department. Is your daughter, Kristen?
Yes.
Are you? I know she was on the phone with you when I made contact with her. Are you on your way here? Do you have her location?
No, I don't even know where she is. I couldn't get any information that she said she had my dogs.
Yeah.
Call me back.
Yeah. So she was involved in a very minor crash, very minor, and the other party doesn't want to report. But the reason we mostly came out here is because the other party believes that your daughter was intoxicated, and we made contact with her in the parking lot. She has a flat tire, and another witness stated that she was just driving in circles. She never stopped for the crash, and she just started driving in circles. I don't know why, but she hit a bunch of curbs in here and had a flat tire. And when we made contact with her, she is intoxicated, and she's going to be going to couch jail. So she refused roadsides, but she's very intoxicated. She has vomit all over herself, all over the car, and my biggest concern right now is RJ. Your grandson.
Yeah,
Your
I'm
grandson.
gonna come get him. Where are you?
It'd probably be best if you meet us at the police department. I'm sure that's probably how we'll do the, handover, unless you're nearby. Where are you currently at?
I'm in Broward.
What city?
Springs.
Oh, okay. And so it'll probably take 45 minutes to get here. Yeah, you can probably meet us at the police department. We're at 600 North Congress. It's a Dollar General parking lot. It's a plaza.
No, now.
Sorry, Delray Beach. Delray Beach. So yeah, just south. It says on her DL that she lives in Boynton, so we're just one city south of her.
Okay.
Does she have any prior
Take me
DUI?
about 20 minutes.
Yeah, it'll probably take about 45 minutes to get there. Get here, Coral Springs. Yeah. Does she have any prior DUI?
One night 15 years ago.
15 years ago. Okay.
4 kids before she got serious, started not drinking and driving.
Yeah. Is she going through anything right now? Any relationship troubles or any reason she would be?
Yeah. Her
father.
2 children and her baby daddy.
Yeah.
Dragging her through court. He took the one kid. He refused to bring him back. It's a horrible situation.
Yeah.
She's crying all the time about it.
Yeah.
She's a professional woman. She doesn't normally do this. She's against drinking and driving, so I'm very surprised.
Yeah. Like I said, the car is immobile. So, it's got a flat tire. We're gonna tow it.
She had a bad tire, and I've been telling her she had to get it replaced every day. She had to put air in it. It had a bad leak.
Oh, really? Okay. Do you know which tire it was?
I think I'm back. I don't know. She keeps calling me, and she says, I got 10 PSI. I said, Chris, it's full. If you got to get it up tomorrow, get that tire.
Okay.
But I know she's been fighting that tire for about 2 months and delaying to get it because she has no money in. She's not paying all the bills.
Understandable. Listen, I know it's hard out here. It's everybody, it sucks, but like I said, our biggest concern right now is RJ, and I'm sure that's one of your biggest concerns. We, God forbid something bad, worse happens. That's what we care about. We care about the children in the situation. He's fine. Everything's fine. I mean,
Oh, absolutely.
yeah, RJ's good. He's a good kid. He's fine right now. He's just hanging out with us. But we'll bring him back to the PD. Yeah, he'll just hang out with us at the police department. Yeah, it looks like this tire doesn't. It looks like the reason this tire went flat. She has a big puncture on the sidewall, so I think that might have been from a curb or something.
Yeah.
Like it's a very large puncture.
Maybe that's what finally killed it. But I know she's got a tire in it for the past 2 months. And, she's calling me on, driving home. It's 10 PSI, can I make it home? No, get air in it now. Yeah. So she might not have put air in it. That even ruined her tire.
Yeah, probably. Okay. So I gave you the address. Yeah, just head on over. I'm on the phone with the grandfather right now. He's gonna come pick up. Yeah. All right. So, if you want to meet us there, we'll meet you there, and we'll hand over his backpack, his stuff for school.
Okay. And him.
Yeah, of course.
And what about Krista? How long is she gonna be?
So she actually just went up now. They just left with her. It's usually pretty quick. She'll probably be out by tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. That's usually how it goes. They usually do. Don't quote me on this, but usually they have arraignment around 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning. So they'll have her thing there. They'll set her bond or whatever, and she should be out by then. I understand. Listen, I understand it's a tough time. It's DUIs are not fun.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on my way.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate that, Mr. Brown.
As always, we'd like to hear your thoughts. Based on the footage and the information available, do you believe the officers handled this situation appropriately, or would you have approached it differently? Please remember that all individuals shown in this video are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. The footage presented is intended for informational and educational purposes and may not capture every aspect of the incident. Body camera footage provides one perspective of an event, and additional facts or evidence may exist that are not shown in this recording. We encourage respectful discussion and ask that comments remain civil and constructive. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.